used to this X, or whether it can be a tape or it can be a leather strap to hold the glass. So this gives a proper classic look to the bike, a retro look to the bike, and I think that's much better than the grill, than the other type of design, other design grills that we have currently people use. Primarily because I have seen this in Ducati Scrambler, and that's where I liked it the most. So you do have a metal grill also available at around 1700 Indian rupees, but I think this one looks cool, and since it's perforated, there are holes in between. I think it will look truly amazing. So let us turn on the motorcycle and see how the look comes up once we turn on the light. So here is the look without turning on the engine, and let's turn on the engine.